Hi Foundation students. Today for writing we are going to be doing some handwriting. And today we are going to be learning how to write the letters E and the letters F correctly using the correct formation. So by the end of today's lesson, you will have listened to how I write each letter, where I begin and where I end, and the direction that I draw my, my lines to make my letters. And then you will complete the E and F handwriting page in your own book. Alrighty, so the reason that we practice our letter handwriting is so that it's easier for us to write each letter, so it's easier to read for others, and also so you don't have to think about when you're writing, oh, how do I write that letter again? So this practice that we do here helps us when we do our writing, whatever we're writing. All right, so watch me as I show you how to do each letter correctly. The letter E. I'm going to show you the uppercase and lowercase letter E, where to begin, when to lift your pencil, and which direction to go. So watch me. If we look at the uppercase letter E, we'll see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 different lines that we're going to make with our pencil. We're going to start at the start, down, lift, cross, lift, cross, lift, cross. And did you notice that I actually left my pencil off the page 3 times? Down, lift, cross, lift, cross, lift, cross. But with our lowercase e, we don't lift it at all. We start where the star is, around, around. And I didn't lift it at all. So let's have a practice with these. Down, lift, cross, lift, cross, lift, cross. Down, lift, cross, lift, cross, lift, cross. Down, lift, cross, lift, cross, lift, cross. And then you can do all of the others. And I'll have a try here. Down, lift, cross, lift, cross, lift, cross. Down, lift, cross, lift, cross, lift, cross. Okay, now I'll do some more lowercase. Remember, starting in the middle here, around, 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 around. And can you see how my pencil is going in that anti-clockwise direction and I'm not taking it off the page? And I'll have a try here. Around, 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 around. And now I'll do some of my own at the bottom. I'll do both lowercase and uppercase. Down, lift, cross, lift, cross, lift, cross. Around, around. And that's a letter E. This is the letter F. I'm going to show you how to write the uppercase and lowercase letter F correctly, where to start, when to lift your pencil, and what direction to go. Now, you'll notice with the uppercase F, it's all straight lines, and we start by going down, lift, cross, lift, cross. So it's similar to an uppercase E, but we only need to do it twice. Down, lift, cross, lift, cross. Now, with a lowercase f, you'll see that it's actually quite long, and there is a curved line and a straight line. So watch me. Around, down, lift, cross. Around, down, lift, cross. Watch me as I do some uppercase. Down, lift, cross, lift, cross. Down, lift, cross, lift, cross. Down, lift, cross, lift, cross. Now I'm going to try some of my own. Down, lift, cross, lift, cross. Down, lift, cross, lift, cross. And you'll see how I've tried to keep my lines nice and straight. Now let's do some lowercase, where there's a long curvy line and one short line. Around, down, lift, cross. Around, down, lift, cross. Around, down, lift, cross. And you'll notice that my short cross here isn't quite straight. It's almost on a little bit of an angle. And the long part goes below that bottom line. Around, lift, cross. Now I'll have a try of my own. Around, lift, cross. Around, lift, cross. And I'll do some uppercase and lowercase here. Down, lift, cross, lift, cross. Around, down, lift, cross. And that's the letter F.